i-blow ni Miss Kay kanyang candle. So, pakinggan muna po natin yung birthday wish ni Mami. Okay, for Miss Kay. Okay, Mami, pwede pong umiyak. Okay, Mami?
Wish ko last year, a bright future for Mishka. May she always be healthy, happy, and successful in life.
Okay, so palakpakan po natin si Mami. Ano ako naman si Lala? Baka meron po kayong birthday wish. Ayan, okay. Mga sponsor po. Ayan, okay, Mami.
Okay, I wish my beautiful apo, of course, good health and a life full of happiness. May she grow up to be a good girl like the Lola. And good girl like the Lola. And beautiful like the mommy and Lola also. And also to be mabait like her Lolo Daddy. Okay.
Okay, so ayan. Okay, sabay-sabay tayo magkakaon ng 3 para i-blow na ni Miss Ka. Okay, so ready? 1, 2, 3, blow! Ayaw mamatay. One more. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Blow, baby. Blow. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, one more. Okay, one more, Miss Ka. Okay, 1, 2, 3, blow!